interactive whiteboard. The main function for this interactive whiteboard is definitely its whiteboard function. As you can see, I have inserted my company logo using insert material function. At the same time, I can write anything on it. This is my name, Sean. And if I want to erase it off, I can just use my palm to erase the insert material and my writing off, as you can see.
This interactive whiteboard allows up to 4 devices to share the screen at the same time. The one I'm showing you right now is using 2 iPhones, 1 iPad and 1 desktop.
Another feature for this interactive whiteboard is dual system function. On my right hand side here, you can see Android system, and we have downloaded many apps to demonstrate to you guys. We even have Play Store over here. Download the ideal app for yourself. Another system is Mini Building PC operated by Windows 10 system. Another function of this interactive whiteboard features is its scan QR code function. After you finish your meetings, you can just use your mobile phone to scan the QR code to achieve the minutes of meeting. Other than the QR codes generation function, you can also send through your minutes of meeting through email. Simply log in to your email and send to your partners or send to your colleagues.